Hello everyone, this is Yukta NU. The task I have chosen for Sparks Foundation Internship Program GRIP May 2021 is prediction using unsupervised machine learning. I have used Python to implement the task. I will be explaining both the logic and implementation parallelly. These are some of the required libraries that have imported: Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and sklearn. Pandas helps in analyzing the data. NumPy is used for arithmetic operations. Matplotlib is used to graphically plot various graphs. sklearn consists of various datasets. Now we'll import the data and explore the nature of data. The dataset we have imported is called the iris dataset. It is one of the most used dataset for implementing any machine learning operations. Now we'll explore and find out the nature of dataset that we have imported. Out of 5. It outputs the shape of the dataset, that is, its dimension is 150,4. Now we'll check for duplicate data or missing values in the dataset. Since all the returned values are 0, there are no missing values. Here we have described the nature of dataset like various attributes of datasets such as count, mean, standard deviation, etc. These are found out by df.describe. To classify the dataset, the algorithm we'll be using is k-means classification. It is one of the known clustering algorithm of an unsupervised learning method. We have loaded all the column except the target column of the dataset into a variable called x. From sklearn.cluster library, we have imported the k-means algorithm. The main objective of this implementation is finding the optimum number of cluster for k-means classification. Now we'll try implementing k-means algorithm for various clusters. The one which provides the optimum classification has the elbow elevation. We'll implement the clusters for 1 to 11 by using for loop. Here is the code to implement the k-means algorithm using Python. After plotting this, we can clearly observe that for the data we have chosen, this point is the one which has the steepest curve or elbow. The optimum cluster is where the elbow occurs. This is when the within cluster sum of squares doesn't decrease significantly with every iteration. From this graph, we choose the optimum number of clusters as 3. As we all know, the optimum clusters to classify dataset, we just apply it to k-means algorithm. By k-means denotes the target value. So if it fits the model to this curve, then plot it. Hence is the graph obtained. As you all can see, there are 3 types of clusters formed with the centroids denoted by the blue dots. The one significant thing about the unsupervised learning is, initially we won't be allocating any labels to the dataset. The algorithm classifies the dataset by itself and divides it into many clusters. So that is all about the unsupervised machine learning. Thank you.